This is a review of the Can Wool Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor that has the maximum up to 150 psi cordless electric portable tire inflator that I'm going to be doing a review about and also unboxing. And in this review unboxing, we're going to pretty much open this package and show you guys what you get in this package. And from there, we're also going to test a tire that's probably deflated on the ground and also show you guys all the features about this. And yeah, without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Now here's everything that comes with this package. You can see here that we get everything from here, and from here we get the tire portable inflator that pretty much you can use this to go do traveling or anywhere. Rechargeable. You can, it comes with a USB power C adapter that it comes with supplied, and you can use this for pretty much your motorcycle tires, your bicycle tires, your car tires, pretty much for everything. And anything that has, so maybe even also, a basketball as well too. You can use that to inflate air too. So yeah, it comes with this as well here too. That's the main thing. Then it comes with this. So this thing attaches to right over here. And also one of the things I love about this product, that it comes with the LED light as here too. So that light's gonna, if you have to work in areas that are dark, you can use that as well too, like pretty much as a flashlight. And here it comes with the USB power C adapter. If you have to, you could use this to, it's optional to pretty much charge up your tire air portable the tire inflator. And then right over here it comes with this as well here too. So a rechargeable 12 volt for your car interior, so you can use this. And you can also use this method if you want to do the old school way. You can use this to pretty much charge it up as well too, in case if there's emergency, then you might have to use this. So that's why it comes with two ways to do it, so you can either use that way or that way. But obviously I'm going to be using this way because this way is probably much better and more easier and better. And yeah, this is what all the stuff that it comes with. It also comes with the instruction manual guide. It comes with the bag here that you see here too. I love the fact it comes with the bag, so whenever you're done, you just put it back inside, and it's convenient. So you can use it for traveling and move it around. But yeah, we're gonna go in the garage and pretty much test this out to see whether or not this product is worth it. We're gonna go test it on a car tire that's probably deflated on the ground that needs air. And yeah, we're gonna go inside the garage and test this, this product to see whether or not if this is worth it. Okay, so here we are in the garage, and this tire right here is deflated, like it's on the floor on the ground. But yeah, we're gonna put this up in the air and fill it up. And you can see here, this is the on button. So you can press the on button right here, hold this button down, and you can see it turns it on here too. And this is the brightness button. So pretty much if you hold this button down, this is the flashlight option. So use that if you have to go work in areas that are in the dark and you can't see. Use that as well, too. And it also, blinks. And also it could stay lit, or you could, if you want, you could just turn it off completely, just like that. And the button right here too is there's a plus and the minus. So, put the tire up or down. That's however you prefer. So it's up and down. But yeah, we're going to go test this product out to see how well this thing does and how fast it, inflates tires into my car. Okay, so we are at 12 psi, and we usually put 32.5 psi. That's for pretty much all standard tires. But yeah, we're gonna go click this button and see how well this thing works. So you click this button right over here. Okay, so far I do want to say that this product works very well and spectacular. It's at 32.5, and it really looks, it performs very well. It's very fast. I love the fact it comes with a flashlight as well too. And like I mentioned before, you can use it for your motorcycle tire, your car tire, your basketball, pretty much for everything. And this is like all in one. It does literally everything. And you can, rechargeable, move it around. Like if you have to go travel, you can use this to pretty much, it's portable, move it around everywhere. And you don't have to do that old school method where you have to use it for your 12 volt and the cigarette lighter and do the old school method. So that's one thing I love about this product. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a portable tire air pressure that you're wanting to inflate tires, and you're tired of doing the old school method of putting in the 12 volt cigarette lighter. Then this product right here is probably one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this portable tire inflator. If you're looking for a new portable tire inflator, then this one is by far one of the best tire inflators that you could get, and I would definitely highly recommend this.